this is what we're building now.
Just leave it, because you're just embarrassing yourself.
And it kind of ties in well with a drop that we've just had from Driftworks. We've had full set of suspension, new camber toe, tension rods. Well, this is a bit of a game changer. We were lucky enough to get contacted by 6 Boost.
Me and B.T, we're not driving together. That one is, don't crash it.
Not like you to get lost. To give us the time of this, you know.
I don't really know what that was.
She's like a new one.
I don't know. Final point!
You packing off early, son?
Black flag.
How close? That's not right. That's too f***ing close.
Next time, keep it.
I'm gonna get you.
I make it up as I go along.
Feels alright, but you just don't check us.
Yeah.
You're a little bit more inspired.
So I can't hear you. Can't show you too much in here. It's all the secrets, isn't it? All what secrets?